Okay, y'all, the streets is talking and the whispers is getting louder and louder, y'all. Word on the street, y'all, is Diddy's judge. There's a possibility, y'all, that he may overturn the jury's verdict due to witness tampering. Y'all, Lord have mercy. It's about to go down. I had to go look it up because I started hearing this and I was like, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me go check this shit out, y'all. Okay? Hello, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to my day ones, twos, and threes. Thank you to all my new subscribers that's coming in. That means well. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you all and welcome. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only, so everything is alleged, some it's not. And the fair accuse is in my description box, y'all. So let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to it. Word on the street is Diddy's judge then got so many letters from victims. People that's saying that they're scared and all kind of stuff for their life. Okay, y'all? People that, do y'all know the other victim that I talked about her in the video? She was supposed to be a witness, y'all. She was supposed to be a witness and she got into it with the prosecution. Remember, y'all? I just talked about this just the other day. Y'all, word on the street is, y'all, they were out there messing with her cars and everything. Lord have mercy. Just like Jay-Z's son, same thing. Same type of situation. Jay-Z's son goes to work, comes out to his car, y'all. Okay? He looks in his car and it's a weapon sitting on the seat. Before he can go turn around to go back into the building where he worked at, the police pull up. I mean, these demons got polices and everything in their back pockets. Okay? Same situation. So he will leave Jay-Z alone. He won't leave him alone. Get him locked up. Plant a weapon in his car. My bad, y'all. A weapon in his car. This is what happened to Jay-Z's son. Do y'all see a pattern here? Now they're saying that this verdict could be overturned. The jury's verdict. And just think about these dummies about to probably write books and all of this stuff talking about, you know, their experience with this case, and all of their junk might get thrown out, y'all. Okay? I had to look it up. And it says, yes, a judge can overturn a jury verdict due to witness tampering, though it's not a common occurrence. Witness tampering or any form of jury misconduct. And we already know it was a lot of jury misconduct because they had to kick one juror out. Then they had another one that they was getting ready to boot out. Okay, y'all? Not only that, Diddy was making eye contact and doing, you know, little sign languages and shaking his head and all of this stuff, communicating with the jurors. Oh, yes, y'all. Word on the street is, this is another thing that Diddy's judge is considering. Word on the street. They said it can be grounds for a judge to order a new trial if it's deemed to have substantially prejudiced an outcome of the original trial, y'all. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is crazy on so many levels. Jury misconduct, including witness tampering, can significantly impact the fairness of a trial. And y'all remember Gina didn't come to court, but she told the prosecutor she was coming. They couldn't even find her nowhere. And before the verdict came in, oh, she popped out, y'all. Did y'all peep that? Word on the street is Diddy was getting to a lot of people, y'all. Word on the street. And they're saying, I don't know, I wasn't there. Not one day was I in court. But word on the street is Diddy somehow got to those jurors. He got to those jurors some kind of way. And I'm not surprised because I told y'all, he's from New York. If Diddy is the most popular person in Hollywood, if he can get to every actor, every rapper, every this, every that, you think people don't know Diddy in New York and that's where he's from? This is why I was saying this from the start. I said this. I said, you know, it would make more sense for them to have a jury that's out of New York. Because there's a possibility if you have a jury from out of New York that it's going to be somebody that Diddy don't know. You know what I'm saying? It's still a possibility that he might even still know somebody from out of town, but it's a better possibility of him knowing somebody in the city and state where he's from than somewhere else. And I'm not saying knowing them. You know what I'm saying? New York, he's from New York. He's all about New York. He knows everybody in New York. Everybody knows everybody. This trial should have definitely been, jurors should have been picked from other states. And I just said this once, and don't be surprised, y'all. Don't be surprised if they overturn this verdict and they pick people from another state this time. Because they can't trust the jurors from New York. They can't trust them, y'all. And it is what it is. People are coming forth left and right, y'all. And they said that these people are having proof that there were witness tampering. It was clear as day that there was witness tampering. And they said the jurors, they really didn't want to give him them other two charges. But it wouldn't have looked too bad. So they went on and gave him the lesser charges. But word on the street is, y'all, Lord have mercy, they're saying they didn't want to give him that. I told y'all this from the start, didn't I? Didn't y'all? Y'all, when I tell y'all stuff is going crazy with this case, you don't know what to expect from one day to the next with this. But to be honest with y'all, he got a point. If he overturned this verdict, and I'm going to be completely honest with you, I'm not all on this judge side. I know a lot of bloggers are saying, oh, he can't stand Diddy. Oh, he this, oh, he that. But this judge, to me, it ain't just the juror's fault that Diddy, got away with them other 3 charges in this, round. The judge was rushing this case. You do not start a case off talking about, I want to be done with it by, July the 4th, or you know what I'm saying? That's just a date I threw out there. But he started off rushing them from the start, saying we're gonna finish this up quick, and like he ain't got time, he got to move on to his other cases. When they did that rushed things as well, okay? But then again, he probably already knew what they were up to in the first place. I'm just saying, y'all. They said this jurors, they wasn't listening to nothing these women were saying. They had no feelings whatsoever. And everybody was reporting about them laughing. In the court, this was not a laughing matter. How in the world could jurors be in there laughing, y'all? When they're showing film footage and all kind of stuff of somebody being dragged, being kicked, all kind of stuff being done to them. Okay? And they didn't even care about the fact that Diddy was getting these people hooked on street pharmacy stuff. They didn't care about the age difference. They didn't care about his, his fame and his, celebrity status. And that some of these people that wanted to be around him was just stupid. And they were doing everything to please him. This doesn't make sense. They had the nerve to come out and say, oh, Cassie was the one that was setting all these plays up. But the thing of it is, he made her set these plays up. He's the one that told her to do it. We all saw what he did to her when she wouldn't do stuff he wanted her to do. We saw that clear as day. But the jurors, they didn't see anything, y'all. They did not see a doggone thing, y'all. This is some of the other things, other grounds of overturning the case. Judges may also overturn, wait a minute, y'all. Judges may also overturn a verdict if they find that there was insufficient evidence to support it, or if the juror's decision resulted in an inadequate or excessive damages. In essence, witness tampering and other forms of jury misconduct can be grounds for overturning a jury verdict, but it's a serious matter that must be proven to have substantial affected the trial's fairness. If you got a witness that they're breaking into her car and busting her windows out and all of this stuff, okay? If you got a witness that somebody's lawyer is reaching out to them telling them, do you want us to pay for your lawyer fees? Why would you want to pay somebody's lawyer fees and they are the witness for the prosecution? Y'all, boy, oh boy, oh boy. And if that's the case, then they might as well overturn, I'm just saying, y'all, old girl, the one that's disabled, that was getting harassed. I wonder, can they overturn that? Okay, y'all? If somebody is sending private detectives, your goons to your house, coming to your doctor's appointments, coming to the gas station, if you ask me, they should be overturning that. And letting them go full force and taking down Jay-Z and P. Diddy for that as well. It's people out here still saying, oh, she turned back and said that she did. That girl never said that it did not happen. Not one time. Not one time. She said that, yes, she dropped the charges, but she also said that she did not lie. That what happened to her really happened to her. This is what she said, y'all. This is what she said. This is crazy. In cases of alleged jury misconduct, a Rimmer hearing may be held. I hope I'm saying it right. This hearing allows the judge to investigate the allegations and determine the intent of the misconduct and its impact. Okay, y'all? You see, people were lying to be on the jury. You see, they have to get kicked out because they didn't even live where they say they lived and all kind of stuff. It was a lot of lies taking place. If misconduct is proven, courts often presume that it prejudiced the outcome of the trial, meaning it likely affected the verdict. A lot of stuff that was going on affected this verdict, y'all. A lot of stuff affected this verdict. You have Gina, who, he didn't beat the brakes off of her. She didn't been on Tasha K's show. They got Tasha K's whole interview of her. The feds can go and watch that whole interview of her and say, you know, she told a whole different story. And then she told a story on here saying that he did this and that and that and this to her. And then he turned around. She turned around, didn't even show up. And then right after, when all the stuff was over with, she thought it was done and over with, she pops out. Okay? Everybody says she got paid off too. But she's, word on the street, she got some screws missing, y'all. And she didn't show up because she's just a dingbat. That's another reason why I think she didn't show up. It's women out here like that, y'all. And I talk about this all the time. There are women out here that the guys be beating the brakes off of them, y'all. The police show up, I fell down the stairs. This is what they'll say. This is what you have going on with Gina. Gina ain't got enough sense to throw. Lord have mercy. She don't, y'all. But this is the rumor that's going around right now, that this is another thing that the judge is considering. Due to the fact that, and I said this case could have been won on all 5 charges. If they would have did their job, if they would have protected other witnesses that were scared for their life. This woman is clearly scared for her life. Just one of the people that wrote the judge a letter. Okay? There's a lot of writing the judges going on right now. Okay, y'all? There's a lot of that going on right now. Y'all. Just one of the witnesses that we have heard of is saying she is traumatized right now. She's scared for her life. What do you think the other witnesses are saying? What do you think the other people are saying that they making visits to right now? You think that they're not going to stop by and talk to Gina and be like, didn't you say you was coming to court? Why do you ain't come to court? What you think she going to say? You think she going to lie and say, I just didn't want to come? Or you think she going to tell the truth that I'm scared? If y'all are not going to protect me from Diddy, I can't do this. And it don't take but one of them. It don't take but one to be like, he contacted me or his son contacted. Because word on the street is Diddy's sons them was out here contacting people too. Word on the street, y'all. That's what I heard. And if they got proof which this is what they're probably gathering right now, y'all. Proof of any kind of misconduct, a witness tampering, or whatever. Because that hearing that took place the other day, and it was over just like that, and everybody was like, what the heck is going on? Diddy was trying to get, his court date moved up. And the judge them came and they said a few words, and the defense was up out of there. And now reports are coming out that they're scrambling. You know why they are probably scrambling, y'all? Now, y'all, right? Because now they're talking about overturning the verdict. This is what people are saying. Whispers are going on saying it. People that was in the courtroom are saying it. A lot of rumors is going around right now. So stay tuned, y'all. That's all I can tell y'all. Stay tuned, because this is going to get really interesting. On one hand, people are saying, oh, Diddy is fine. When October the 3rd comes, he's going to get out for probation and all. Okay. But what I'm hearing is totally different. They are saying that they are taking this time to do a little investigation, y'all. And what you think they investigating? The fact that there are rumors coming out that this verdict may be overturned, I'm not surprised the least little bit. Y'all let me know if y'all surprised, because I'm not. Okay, y'all? Anyway, please like, share, and subscribe if you liked the video. And thank you all so much for watching. Peace.